Welcome to episode 10 of Simple Homesteading. And like magic, because if you just watched our last episode, I'm dressed the same way. It's about mid-morning and we are just going ahead and we're just gonna keep working on the shed and getting it fully dried in. We're gonna work on putting the window in today and possibly the door. I think just today we might end up getting the window in. We'll see. Got a lot of stuff to get done today. But as I've shared before, we're amateurs. This is the very first thing we've ever built together as a couple, or even me individually. Never built a shed, and we're just learning as we go, and hopefully you are too. So let's go ahead and get this window set in, and we'll talk about how we're going to get this done. We're going to be using a single hung door with a nailing flange all the way around. Now, single hung means that it only opens one way. And if you have a vertical one, you would be able to move the top window down, the bottom window up, and even possibly be able to pop it back out. The R value is okay. This isn't overly expensive. Again, this is a shed. It's going to allow daylight in for where we're going to do our seed starts. And again, that's going to be something that we'll talk about in the future. But what we have to do is get this fit into that opening. I've already gone ahead and measured the outside edge. We've got about, I don't know, a 1/4 inch gap all the way around. We're going to end up needing to shim this to get it level and plumb. Then once that's done, we'll go ahead and nail this in. But before we do that, we are going to go ahead and put some butyl tape on here to help prevent water from seeping in and rotting all of this out. We'll probably run it about part of the way down, maybe halfway down, all the way across the bottom. And again, putting that bottom piece on because we want water to come down, hit the bottom piece, and then potentially roll out. And then we'll also caulk along the outside. So let's go ahead and start prepping this opening by getting the tape put down, and then we'll dry fit the window and get everything figured out where we need it, get it marked, and we'll then caulk the outside of the window, set it in, and then screw it in. How's it coming? You got it done yet?
Just getting the bubbles out.
You do good work. I think I'll keep you.
She's just saying that for the benefit of the camera, wherever that is.
Right there. What are we doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Do you want to work on the front edge? Let me know.
Oh, hang on. I can't get that off. I've got a little bit of a bubble there. Shoot, I didn't get it super tight, but it's on there now.
We can maybe
Slice it just a little bit right there. Just slightly. Okay.
that can be that much big of a deal. Because
This is not straight right here. It got all
yeah, you want this.
kind of. No. Well, if I get the right side. You want it to overlap outside, right?
Just like the a little bit like the other one. I don't want water getting in.
Just a sec. You just don't want slivers.
No, you're fine. You're doing a good job. I'm supervising, so I get paid the higher rate. And because I'm a man, I also get paid more per hour.
Oh, you shouldn't be saying stuff like that. You're just being provocative.
Being facetious.
No, you're being provocative.
Nope.
Wait. You didn't let me get my.
There.
Okay.
Wow. Not much.
Yeah, it just needs to be like this side. Yeah, I can see. We need to slide it over this way just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Okay. I'm just gonna set that there. Let me see if I can't find, you just need a smidgen of something to stick there.
I know, I wish we could find the shins. I don't know if the shins are gonna be in the shed or
Hang
not.
on. Oh, here. I don't know if you can lift it at all. Okay, stop, good. It's not that the sill isn't level, it's the window itself.
I like that.
Okay, just 2 seconds, 2 seconds.
I was gonna say you could bring it out here.
Let me put, just lift it just a smidge more. Okay, put it down.
Wow, look at that.
That's pretty good.
And you can get a pencil too.
Like right here?
No, here. Here. Oh my goodness, we are like dead on.
Okay. Okay.
Dead on. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a bead of caulk around inside the pencil line that we put on the window, and we're going to not put any caulk around the bottom. That way, if water should get behind, it provides it a way to escape down the front of the shed and not hold here on the sill. So let's go ahead and get the caulk put on.
Oh shoot. I didn't really want you to let go of it.
Sorry. That corner really set really tight.
I should get this on the line I have established.
Such a tragic story that everyone is yesterday from Coast Online in the Ohio State Wrestling Team. They have a score in the Ohio State 59, Michigan 3, nothing. Up next, we'll chat with Ohio State President Dr. Keita Johnston as halftime exhibition. Ohio State Sports Network.
Yeah. Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, because I'm gonna put the stuff here anyway, maybe. We've gotten the, I'm not sure what they call this. We call it the anti-rock tape. We've gotten this put all the way across. Really don't feel we need to put anything across the top threshold. What we're going to do right now is lift this beast and get it into here and start to do our shims. All right, we've got to get a lot done. There's my neighbor running his mower. Not sure how much we can show you. Now, you're supposed to do the hinge side of the door first, get it all drilled and fixed, and then do this side. We might. Right now, we've got everything level and square. I've got quite a bit of shimming to do on the far side, and I almost would prefer just to go ahead and get this side set. So, I don't know, we'll see. It's level, level, plumb, plumb. So, we're just gonna go for it.
Probably made it better.
Well, it's perfect.
It's perfect.
Well, it's perfect.
Okay, let's look okay.
All right.
We're perfect. Okay. You got it. Okay.
Now, I'm sorry, I haven't looked at the raw video yet. I think maybe our camera kept shutting off and didn't record everything. We got this plumb level all the way around, shimmed, put the screws in and drove screws, long screws through the hinges. The only thing that's not on it yet is a lock set, and I'm gonna go do that. I don't think you need to watch me doing that, but it's been, friends, it's been an incredibly productive day. We finished episode 9 and got all the way through episode 10. I ended up just finishing caulking the door all the way around. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, and so we'll have a hiatus coming into Thanksgiving. However, believe it or not, the next thing we need to do, besides doing all the trim around the outside, is I actually am going to get some really cheap linoleum at an outlet store here in the area and lay it down on the inside, because we're going to need to build a wall on the inside of this in order to be a part of a loft system. Let's see, there we go, a loft system that we're going to be putting up, I've told you about before. Well, again, thank you for joining us for this short episode here on Simple Homesteading. If you like the video, hit a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. We've got lots of stuff other than just kind of do-it-yourself things like building this shed. If you go through our playlist, you'll see we've got garden work. Actually, that's what we're really all about, gardening, canning, doing all those things. But I need this in order to support the garden that we're going to be continuing to expand here on the homestead. Again, thank you for joining us today. You all have a blessed day.